Are there any tools or software to help me stop spam emails?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an all too common issue that most of us face daily: spam emails. These are those unsolicited messages that crowd your inbox, leading to clutter and distraction. They can even pose security risks if they contain malware or phishing schemes. Luckily, there are tools and techniques available to help you keep spam emails at bay. Let's dive in.
What are spam email filters?
One of the best defenses against spam emails is to use spam filters. These are software tools that automatically identify and segregate spam from your main inbox based on different criteria, such as the email's sender, subject line, or content. Most email service providers like Gmail, Outlook, and Yahoo Mail have built-in spam filters that can be customized to your liking. Additionally, there are standalone anti-spam software options available that can provide an extra layer of defense.
How can I configure my email settings?
While spam filters are an effective tool, the next step is to optimize your email settings. Here are some methods. Create stronger filters. Almost all email providers let you create custom filters. You can direct emails from specific senders or with certain keywords straight to your spam folder. Use secondary email accounts. Consider having a secondary email account for non-essential communications. This will keep your primary email cleaner. Unsubscribe judiciously. Be sure to unsubscribe from unwanted mailing lists. Look for the unsubscribe option typically found at the bottom of such emails.
What are third-party anti-spam tools?
Third-party anti-spam tools can be an excellent addition to your arsenal against spam emails. These are software applications that offer advanced features beyond what's typically available from built-in spam filters. They can identify more sophisticated types of spam, and some even use machine learning to adapt to new spam tactics over time. Examples include tools like Mailwasher, Spam Fighter, and Spamilator. However, it's essential to research these tools before you decide to use them. Some may have privacy implications, while others may require a subscription fee. Spam emails can be more than just a nuisance, they can also be a security risk. But with the right combination of spam filters, strategic email settings, and possibly a third-party anti-spam tool, you can significantly reduce the amount of spam that lands in your inbox. Here's to cleaner, more manageable inboxes and safer email experiences.